Welcome back, students. In this class we continue mensuration chapter 11 exercise 11.4. Here in this class we continue the fourth question. The previous class we completed the first three in the 11.4 exercise. So the first problem given is a cuboid is of dimensions. Fourth one I'll continue, then I'll solve the third one. A cuboid is of dimensions 60 centimeters into 54 centimeters into 30 centimeters. So how many small boxes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? So as we know, this is the cuboid. I'll just write down. So this I am writing roughly. This is the cuboid. One will be 60 centimeter, this one will be 60 centimeters, this one 54 and another 30. So this is the cuboid I have drawn roughly. So the dimensions are given. First we have to find out the volume of the cuboid. So the volume of the cuboid is given as 60 into 54 into 30 centimeter cube. Multiply all this, 60 into 54 into 30 centimeters, we'll get, that is 9722 centimeter cube. The problem given is a small cubes with side 6 centimeters. Consider this one as small cubes. So how many of these can be placed inside this? So how many 6 centimeter side cubes can be placed inside this big box? So for this one we finished calculating volume of the cuboid. Now volume of the small box, small cube. So volume of the small cube of side is given as 6 centimeters. So we have to calculate each side, we have to take it as 6 centimeters. That is side into side into side. So this one side into side into side. Therefore side given as 6 centimeters. Therefore 6 into 6 into 6. Then centimeter cube. This will be 216 centimeter cube. Therefore we have to write number of small boxes or cubes that can be placed in given cuboid is equal to, the formula is volume of the cuboid divided by volume of the small box or small cube. So first we calculated volume of the cuboid, then the volume of the small cube. So how much we got? That is, substitute here. First one is 9722, another one is, that is for small cube, is 216. Divide this, therefore we get 450 as the result. So finally, therefore 450 small cubes can be placed in the given cuboid. So divide both volume of the cuboid and volume of the cube, we get the answer, that is 450. So this is the solution for the fourth problem. We move on to the third one. Third one is find the height of the cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. So the formula given is we have to find the height of the cuboid. So height of the cuboid equal to, that is volume. So volume of the cuboid, so divided by base area of the cuboid. So they have given as, that is volume of the cuboid is given as 900 and base area is given as 180. So divide this, we'll get 5 centimeter. So the height of the cuboid is 5 centimeters. So this is the solution for the third and fourth problem. We move on to the fifth one. So the fifth problem given here is fifth problem, find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeters. So we'll find out this one, that is the question 5. So what are the given? That is diameter of the base is given is equal to 140 centimeters. So radius of the base, that is R, is equal to how much? 140 is the diameter, divided by 2 is equal to 70 centimeters. So the height of the cylinder, we have to find the height of the cylinder. So given is diameter, we'll find out the radius. Now area of the base is given as pi r square. Since it is a cylinder, pi r square is given. Now substitute, pi is 22 by 7, radius is 70 into 70, we'll get 15,400 centimeter square. Now we have to find out volume of the cylinder is given as how much? 1.54 m cube. Now these m cube should be converted into centimeter cube. So for this one, 1.54 into 100 into 100 into 100 is equal to centimeter cube. So multiplied by, that is 3 hundreds, that is 4 zeros. So we'll get 1412. Since there is a decimal point and after that 2 digits are there, so we'll get this one as 4 zeros, centimeter cube. So finished converting m cube to centimeter cube. Now finally we have height of the cylinder is given as, height of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cylinder divided by area of the base of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder we have to find out. The formula given is volume of the cylinder divided by the area of the base of the cylinder. So we'll substitute this. We have both here. We have calculated, that is area of the base we have calculated, volume of the cylinder we calculated, just we have to substitute. That is 1 4 followed by 4 zeros, 154 followed by 4 zeros divided by 15400. So now we'll get this one as 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Therefore finally what we got, therefore height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Height of the cylinder is equal to 1 meter. So this is the solution for the fifth problem. First we have the diameter is given in the problem 140. We calculated the radius by dividing by 2. Then we found out, we have the formula area of the base as pi r square. Substitute here, we get 15400 centimeter square. After this, volume of the cylinder is given, that is 1.54 m cube. M cube is converted into centimeter cube by multiplying this by 300s. Then we get this one, that is volume of the cylinder, area of the base. So height of the cylinder is given by the formula volume of the cylinder divided by area of the base of the cylinder. So now substitute the values, we will get 100 centimeters, which is 1 meter. Therefore height of the cylinder is 1 meter. So this is the fifth problem. We move on to the next, that is sixth one. So a milk tank, the problem given is a milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meters. Find the quantity of the milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. So a milk tank is in the form of cylinder. So we'll write down what are the data given. Data given is radius 1.5 meter, height of the cylinder is 7 meters. So therefore we have capacity. So capacity is given of the cylinder is given by the formula pi r square h. Therefore we'll substitute here, pi is 22 by 7 into r square is, r radius is given by 1.5 into 1.5, height is given by 7 centimeters. So we can substitute this and find out, we'll get 49.5 m cube. So this one we can just 15 means divided by, like this also you can write 24 by 7, 15 by 10, 15 by 10. If you are difficult using this decimal point, you can easily write like this. So this is just a working. Substitute this and find out, we'll get 49.5 m cube. After this, so 49 point, we have to convert this m cube into liters. So this should be multiplied by 1000 liters. So we have, that is 1 m cube is equal to 1000 liters. So 1 cube is equal to 1000 liters. So for this we have to multiply it by 1000. We'll get 49500 liter. Therefore finally quantity of milk that can be milk in the tank or stored in the tank, the sentence given in the question is 49,500 liters. So this is the answer for the, or solution for the question number 6. So we'll move on to the next question, that is the seventh one. Seventh problem, if each edge of the cube, so the question is each edge of the cube is doubled. So the cube is there, each edge is doubled. First point is how many times will the surface area increase, how many times its volume increase. So for this first one, the original will consider or assume original edge. Before this is doubling, edge of the cube B is equal to how much? We'll say B centimeters. The new edge will be how much? That is 2B. When it is doubled, we'll say 2 into this one is B we have taken, B centimeters, 2B. When it is doubled, it will be 2. So this is just an assumption, assume, or we can write let. After this, next is first point, how many times it will its surface area increase. So for this, original surface area, of the cube, how much we have to write? That is 6a square centimeter square. This one, sorry, 6b we have taken, 6b square centimeter square. This is 6b square centimeter square. Next step is we have to substitute for sorry, b here. B is 2b the whole square, then centimeter square is equal to, so since this is a cube, just take this one 2, 2, 2. Now next is multiply this will become 4, 424b square centimeter square. Now we will separate this one, that is 6, so we'll get 4 into b, 6b square centimeter square. So therefore 4 original surface area, 4 is the original surface area. So surface area will be the sum of the surface area of the cube will be sum of the area of all the faces of the cube. So summing all the faces of the cube. Therefore next step is second part. So we have to find out how many times its volume will increase. We got this as original surface area, 4 is the original surface area. So now is second question is original volume of the cube. Volume will take, that is, this will be, if we consider this as the cube, so consider this one roughly as cube, A into A will be the volume, this one, or yes, you take side, volume will be side into side. So now this one is, this will become S cube. So this is, so I'll write down few points here. See here, this one, see the face means this is side B, this is side B. So lateral surface area is formula given as, that is 4b square. So now total This is lateral surface area, 4b square. Total surface area will be is equal to 6a square. That is, we have to add this all the faces which are visible. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 will become 6. That is b. We are taken 6b square. So this is the differentiating, that is lateral surface area is only 4. That is this one 2 plus 2 b square. These two sides. The total surface area will be, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2. So this one here, see, 2 plus 2 b square. Total surface area is 2 plus 2 plus 2 b square. So volume will be side into side will be s cube. So these are the difference here. Volume finished. So this is volume. Next is, after this, original volume of the cube will be, that is b cube centimeter cube. So now we have to find out new volume of the cube. Formula is, that is 2 into b the whole cube centimeter cube is equal to 8 b cube. Therefore, so finally we will conclude, that is its volume will, this one is the answer, will increase 8 times. So this is how to solve. So this is before doubling the box or the cube, and after, that is new edge original cube we have to take, and after the cube is doubled we have to take. Original surface area we have to calculate, then we have to calculate both how many times the cube will increase, that is 8 times, and original surface area is 4. This is how to solve the 7th one. Now we move on to the 8th problem. So 8th problem given is, water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of the reservoir is 108 m3, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. So water is pouring into, so one like this cube is there. From reservoir water is coming there. So consider this, all the diagrams are given in the textbook, just this is a rough. So water is coming, so it is filling this, the cuboid. Water is coming from the reservoir filling the cuboid. So at a rate of 60 liters per minute, if the volume of the reservoir is 108 m3, find the number of hours it will take to fill there. We have to find out how many time to fill this reservoir. So first step is volume of the reservoir. We have to find out the volume of the reservoir. So they have given us 108 m3. So what we have to do, 108 m3 should be multiplied by the liters or calculated into liters. So we'll get 108 followed by 30 liters. So water poured per minute is equal to 60 liters. Therefore, the time taken to fill the reservoir divided by water poured per minute. Water poured per minute. So we have calculated this one, that is 18, that is volume of the reservoir, 1800 divided by 60. Water poured per minute is 60 liters. So substitute this, and so 1800 into 60 hours. Therefore we get how much? That is 30 hours. 30 hours is the answer. So to take it, finally, therefore the number of hours, so this is into minute, so number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir is, that is cube reservoir is how much? That is 30 hours. So this is minute form. To convert it to hours, we have again multiplied it by 60. Therefore finally we are getting answer as 30 hours. So this is the solution for the 8th problem. We completed the full exercise, that is 11.4. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.